May. Fucking hell. It's fucking huge. He owns the car. He's the first owner. Like a really, really long stick. Here you go, mate, your new home. The exhaust is now fitted here. It's fitted right in there, goes right under there. I still need to try and fit it on there. Pull this whole fucking crash bar off. Here's the one that we're going to be fitting. As you see, it's way thicker. This one's for a 1.8, 160. Perfect form of measurement, this. You can almost get my fingers around it. I can get my fingers around it the whole way down. Still okay for 1.4. It's not so thick that we're fucking up scavenging. That's the plan. I just need to get these. Oh, man. May. May. Are you serious right now with the amount of sealant? Seriously, what was wrong with using a gasket? A 20p gasket would have saved all of this. That's just been there forever. No problem. No problem. So, the jack's now up on here. That's holding that relatively in place. So, now what I'm going to do is crawl back under here, push this up here. Yeah. Right, hold that there without knocking my teeth out. Okay, now that's now on there. All I need to do now is tighten that up, I don't know why this is on here, but it was on here. So we're going to push this and that now. I just need to clamp these together. And this gasket did not survive the operation. RIP gasket, you will be missed. Where the fuck is he? Oh! We're going to focus more up here. So last night we got the dashboard in. This is now all in. We've got the steering wheel on now. So that's now on. Got that on. We still need a clock spring. You can see Jeff's rear leg is right there. Oh, there's all sorts. Red centre caps. Oh, yes, bro. It's coming together now, lad. Why is he doing that? We were a bit fucking stupid, but we've now moved the arm up there. So now that works there now, and the traffic has started as soon as I record, but it's working now. I now need to go and put this on here again. And I'm going to pass this through the underside of the car because we, well, may as well do it now. Right. Just pull it through, lad. Yeah, you over into the third. Slide you in. That is lovely. And then this. Yeah, and then that clicks in. This fuel hose here, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm thinking I'm just going to run it through the car for now. Let's get in there. Right, there is it. Bingo. Scratch everything I said, I just ran it back through that hole just there. That's what the hole is for, so we're going to use it. Oh, hello. We're going to use that. This under here. There's one problem. Right, underneath this seat, if you remember in the previous videos, we cut these connectors right here. Those go to the fuel tank, okay? These go under here, or under there. I think maybe this one, because this one's got like a little bit of a fray to it. Let's say for shits and gigs, those go into there. Fuel tank. Connector. Where's the connector? Connector is gone. It is no more. I don't know where it's gone. Okay, I have to slide you in there. How the fuck? fuck does this go up there then? I don't know if they're supposed to do this, but no problem, no problem. Come on, buddy, come on, come on. Plan is, I want to try and get this jack, right? I want to get this fuel tank. I want to try and push it up because my little weak arms are too small to get this thing up. So then I can hook these things on. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do this. I don't know. I didn't even take this fuel tank out. Okay. Okay. Don't make that noise. I've had to jiggle the fucker around to get it in there, but it's in there. Now I just need to get that up through there. Oh my god, it's so technical I can't even record it. It's so difficult. So last night, I have completely given up with trying to get that fuel tank in, but I have cleaned out the interior now. The fuel lines now run through here, down there, and I need to make a plate off for that. These are now bolted in. This is a different design to this. So that needs to be addressed at some point. I'm going to stick this seat in to get it out of the way so I can work on that for this weekend's rally. So yeah, also we need to fit the glove box and cut a little bit off there to get that in. We're starting to get witness marks now, so we know where to trim these as well, because if we can keep these speakers we will, rather than upgrading them just yet. I got the seat through here and I got it to here. There we go. There we go. Oh! We're up to 12 to do the handbrake, not a 13. Because in Japan, 13 is unlucky. Satisfaction guaranteed. That's way nicer than the fucking fossil we found this engine in. That's nice. Important that you water your alternator as well. This crusty oil cap. Brilliant, that now. Yes!